I'm here at Pure Gold and having shopping and looking for mga chichirya and other grocery items. I just bought some of these products. Then I'm going to buy my son's favorite, this one, Ding Dong. Ding Dong. Ding Dong. Ding Dong. And then, what? Hi-ho, of course, hi-ho. Bili ko pa ng anak ko. Hi-ho. And then, I'll buy some noodles. Yes, paminsan-minsan man eh. Ano kami ng noodles. And my favorite noodles is this one. Lucky me. But, ano pa ba? Mandali mo na. So, later on na lang ulit. Thank you. This is Kuya Benedict. At shopping tayo ng konti ng groceries. And happy watching. Good morning. God bless. Bye-bye.